Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert. Do you remember back to 7th grade math? Geometry was the class that was so frustrating and confusing to me. All those shapes, diamonds and parallelograms and triangles. I could never figure out how to measure them, let alone how to put them together in some semblance of order. But AccuQuilt has taken the guesswork out when it comes to geometry and created a block that fits together perfectly. No calculator required. Let me introduce you to one of our new one-die wonders, GO Hattie's Choice. This is a block on board or a bob die. What does that mean? Well, bob dies contain all the pieces you need to make an entire block on one die board. GO Hattie's Choice is especially designed to cut one 3-color 8-inch block in one pass through the cutter. GO Hattie's Choice has screen printed letters on each of the shapes for easy piecing and organization. Once again, no math required. We've even divided this die into sections, which makes this a great scrap busting die. It's also fat quarter friendly. And since it finishes to an 8-inch block, it works perfectly with blocks from the 8-inch cube. The GO Hattie's Choice contains 3 shapes that are time-consuming and difficult to cut by hand. Good thing we have a die cutting machine. The GO Hattie's Choice die is on a 6x12 die board, which means it's compatible with our GO Me, our GO Big Electric, and even our Studio fabric cutter with a die adapter. All of our cutters are safe and easy to use and reduce hand and arm strain that you might experience with other cutting methods. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this beautiful GO Hattie's Choice pillow. Printed on the packaging for our GO Hattie's Choice die are step-by-step sewing instructions to make constructing the block easy. Plus, this Hattie's Choice pillow pattern is also located in the packaging. Now let me show you how easy it is to put together this block. Remember, quilters, this is a block on board, and one of the great features about this die is that it has specialized dog ears. It also includes that 1/4-inch seam allowance for easy alignment and piecing. Also, all of the pieces you need to make one block are on one die board. So let's cut some fabric. All right. Give it some love, slide, don't lift, and ta-da, we have cut all of our pieces. Think how difficult it would be to cut these pieces by hand. Now quilters, here on my design board, I've already put one of the blocks and I'm going to show you how to piece the rest of this block. I would suggest you use a design wall so that you make sure you're putting your pieces together in the correct order. So here's our little blue. We're gonna put an orange right here in the middle. And these fun triangles on other sides. Ta-da! Quilters, if you like this pattern but want to play with colorways to make it fit your decor, or maybe you want to give it as a gift, you can go to AccuQuilt.com and go to Go Quilt to create an entirely different colorway. Math may not have been your favorite subject in school, but with the new GO Hattie's Choice die, cutting and piecing is easy as 1, 2, 3. You can pick one up at your local retailer or from AccuQuilt.com. I'm Pam Heller. I'm here to help you cut time so you can quilt more.